Hey everybody, just wanted to update you all on the situation on the good old Holley here. I talked to them earlier today while I was at work and talked to the tech service, and they basically said, I explained to them what the situation was. The O2 sensors, they are working. I was able to test on my AEM gauge, which is completely separate from the Holley, and they gave out a reading just fine. So the O2 sensors are working great, but the Holley's not picking up a signal from them. Basically, it was a short conversation with them. They said just to send it back in. They gave me the information, and they're going to fix it. And hopefully they'll be able to find the issue real quick and maybe just swap out an ECU or whatever they have to do. And said it's just going to be like 1 or 2 day turnaround. So hopefully it should be pretty quick. But that means I have to take apart all this mess, which is a total nightmare of wiring and just lots of stuff. But honestly, that gives me an opportunity to clean up the engine bay, which I've been meaning to do for a while. And I also have a little something I've had for a while that I've been meaning to put on, and I'll show you guys here that in a minute. But we might have to put that on here when I take it all apart and put it back on, and I might do like a little installation video just to show people who've never installed it before how easy it really is. There's the turbos. But I also want to show you guys this. Here's another little project I got going on. This is a crankshaft for a 400 small block Chevy, and this is a Eagle crank. It's a forged crank, so it's good up to some ridiculous amount of horsepower that we're never going to touch. But she looks really clean. Haven't even taken them out of the bag yet, but I'm going to have to get it balanced and all that nonsense. Here are the rods for it. Eagle as well, forged as well. They look pretty good quality. Nothing crazy. Those should be good up to like 700 horsepower, I think they said. Here's the block it's going in. It's a used block. It used to run pretty quick in the quarter mile. The guy upgraded block, so we got a pretty good deal on it. It's just the cylinders are all pretty good. So we'll do a quick little hone job on it, but it's supposed to be all machined out. It's a 4-bolt main. It's a splayed main now. So originally it was just a 2-bolt. But we shouldn't have to mess around with that too much, and we still have to get the pistons in. We haven't decided what kind of pistons we want to go with that. We have to figure out what type of compression we want with it. I don't know, it's going to go in an old 8th mile drag car, an old 79 Camaro. So kind of have to do some math on the rear end ratio and all that stuff, see exactly what we want. We just picked up a turbo 400 transmission with a trans brake, and that was used as well, so you can kind of see what we go after, used stuff, and we'll probably try to refreshen that up a little bit, make sure that's all in working order before we install it. But should be a pretty good project. But I'm gonna go and show you what I've been saving up for on this Holley. Alright, so here is a little thing I've been saving up for. I've had it for a while now, but haven't gotten around to installing it, but I'm pretty excited for installing it. It's a Holley Hyperspark kit. It's the distributor, the coil, the ignition box, and this works with that Holley Sniper, and they communicate perfectly, and you can control timing, advance it, retard it real easily. I think you can do like 2-step and some crazy stuff with it as well, but probably nothing I'll be messing with. This is basically the MSD, just a billet distributor, and I mean, it's beautiful. It really is. Super nice quality stuff. Here's the coil, very nice. I mean, it has these nice metal heat sink on it, and really good quality stuff. It feels really good. Comes with all the wiring stuff you need with it. This ignition box is super nice. Usually they look pretty flimsy, but I mean, this is just beautiful. Nice matte black metal. I'm probably going to do a whole separate unboxing video for this stuff, but I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of what we got going on here. This is a future project, and maybe it'll happen sooner than later, but I don't know, we'll see. Alright everybody, just wanted to update you on the issues with the Holley Sniper EFI. Hopefully we get that solved soon, but I'll let you guys know how it all works out later.